Hey guys, Mohawk Mike here. I just took an order, a new knife. It's a handcrafted knife. I got it off eBay. The price was really good on it. Paid like $32 something for it like that. I just ordered on Friday. This is Monday morning. I just received the knife, so I'm gonna go ahead and open it up and check it out. I needed me a good chef's knife for cutting up meat and that. Plus, you know, I make my own cutting boards, so I need to have a nice knife for my cutting boards. It's a Damascus steel. It says it's been folded 578 times, I believe. Let's check her out here. He said be very careful with it when you open it. He said it is sharp. And it has a nice weight to it, I tell you that already. I hate serrated knives, by the way. I don't know why I even have any in the house. I don't ever use them. This is the one I just happen to grab right now. Oh, it is pretty. Got nicely oiled up in that. I'm gonna take and make me a wooden case for it. I like doing woodworking, so that's pretty cool. It looks almost like a Viking symbol on the handle. Come on, focus here. Okay, let's check it out here. Let me rinse this thing off real quick. I'll be right back. Alright guys, there you go. We got all that oil off there they sent it with. I love the pattern in it. It's pretty sweet. Come on, show up on camera here. There you go. I guess the big thing is to see how it cuts. Yeah, it cuts pretty good. It used to be a little bit sharper, but it's not too bad. Usually when you get them in the mail, they're usually pretty dull because you don't want to send them super sharp. It's not too bad though. Little cucumber. Lemon here I need to cut up. Actually, a little rough cutting the lemon, but we'll take and get this thing sharpened up, and we'll take it over to down the road here at the hardware. They sharpen knives. Put a really good edge on them. But there we have it, guys. Though it's a pretty nice knife, though. Craftsmanship all looks really well on it. There it is. Alright guys, thank you.